following message is transmitted as a request by multiple police departments, in conjunction with the California Highway Patrol. In the past several hours, numerous sightings of mysterious humanoid figures have been reported in various towns across Northern California, with most commonly seen during the night. The origins and intentions of these figures are unknown at this time. Public safety is of the utmost importance to us. We strongly advise that every individual must stay indoors at all times. Please ensure that all entry points to your residence are securely locked, close all curtains or blinds, and avoid admitting any unfamiliar individuals into your home. Do not exit your homes, unless it is absolutely necessary. If you notice an unusual person outside, report them to the police immediately. Refusing to do so would likely put you at risk. Please stay tuned to news media or radio outlets for more information.
This is an urgent message from the state of California. Normal programming has been interrupted in your area due to an escalating situation that requires your immediate attention. Several towns and cities across Northern California had reported sights of humanoid figures throughout the evening. Just recently, an alarming new detail has emerged. It has now been discovered that the humanoid figures are breaking into numerous homes and searching for occupants, causing them to enter a permanent state of slumber upon contact, effectively leading to their deaths. All residents who are listening to this broadcast are in great danger, and it's recommended to take immediate action to protect your life. If you are receiving this message, please adhere to the instructions that will be displayed on your screen. This broadcast will now go silent for your safety.